Today I am reviewing the Corsair Void V2 wireless gaming headset. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with what matters most in any gaming headset: sound quality. The Corsair Void V2 delivers a truly next-level audio experience thanks to Dolby Atmos spatial sound. Whether you're creeping through a silent forest in a stealth game, caught in an explosive firefight, or just enjoying the rich soundtrack of your favorite RPG, this headset places you inside the action. Footsteps, reloads, and distant shots are all positioned with precise 3D accuracy. It's not just surround sound. It's spatial awareness that gives you a real edge in competitive games. Now let's talk wireless freedom. This headset gives you dual wireless connectivity. Ultra-low latency 2.4 GHz wireless for PC and console gaming, and Bluetooth for your phone or tablet. And switching between the two, it's seamless. Literally just the push of a button. That means you can hop off a game and take a call, or switch to mobile streaming without touching a single setting. It's flexibility that few headsets offer. It makes the Void V2 perfect for gamers who are always multitasking. Another game changer? The battery life. With up to 70 hours of playback on a single charge, you could go days without plugging in. And when you do need a recharge, a quick 15-minute top-up gives you around 6 more hours of play. That's peace of mind. No more cutting gaming sessions short or waiting around for your headset to juice up. Comfort is another area where Corsair delivers. The Void V2 is built lightweight, with a suspended headband design and plush ear cushions that let you play for hours without fatigue. Whether you're grinding through an all-night raid or chilling with friends in a long co-op campaign, the headset stays cool, comfortable, and firmly in place. Now, communication. The omnidirectional microphone on the Void V2 is tuned for crystal-clear voice pickup, and it includes NVIDIA Broadcast technology if you've got a compatible RTX graphics card. That means it actively filters out background noise like keyboard clicks or fan hum, letting your squad hear you, and only you. Plus, the mic flips up to mute, making it super easy to control without fiddling through menus. Compatibility-wise, this headset is a dream. It works effortlessly with PC, PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, Nintendo Switch, and mobile devices. Whether you're console gaming in the living room or working at your desktop, it's a one-headset-fits-all solution. Style-wise, the Void V2 comes in a sleek carbon finish with a subtle, modern look that doesn't scream gamer gear unless you want it to. It blends well whether you're at home, in an office, or on the go. And with RGB lighting turn-off, you can even stretch the battery life to the max without sacrificing performance. With over 250 strong reviews and an average rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars, the Corsair Void V2 has earned its place as a top pick in the gaming headset category. It sits in the top 150 for all PC gaming headsets, and it's not hard to see why.